Okay, a question where we really test your understanding of these three possibilities. So, what I'm going to do is go to echelon form and stop and think. That's what I'm going to do, and we will see why that works out nicely. So plop this into a matrix. So I got all kinds of H's and K's there, and I'm going to find out which ones do what. So echelon form. So I'll create zeros below this guy as my first operation. So what's the operation? Let's see. The first operation is row 2 plus row 1. 0, K, 8. And here I get 3H plus 1. Continuing. Here we have a choice to make. Now, your first idea here for that guy may be to go 1 over K times row 2. Maybe you want to do that. Here's the problem. When you divide by K, you are making an assumption. You're assuming that K is non-zero. If you forget that assumption, then you'll be in trouble, possibly. So I would avoid doing that entirely. So I would say avoid dividing by variables, because there is an implicit assumption there that is easy to miss. So what I'll do instead is I'm going to swap. I'm going to interchange the second and third rows. So I do that interchange. And then I say, okay, this will be straightforward. Now I can divide this second row by 2. Okay, 1. Okay, that'll make my life a little bit easier here. Because now I can create a 0 right here by doing the following operation. Now the K is a bit strange, but what I'll do is just row 3 minus K times row 2. Can I do that? Yes, I can do that. I'm just taking a multiple of one row and adding it to another row. Seems a bit strange, but it is an elementary row operation. So I get my 0 here. And here I get 8 minus 2k squared, right? Then in the bottom right, I get 3h plus 1, and then subtract k. And this is echelon form.